be home, and we'll probably get home at midday unless we think of something to do between Medford and home. I finished. I finished the cowl I was working on yesterday, the ripple cowl that I put the instructions for in the description below. And today it has been this cowl. And see how fast they go? I'm almost done. I think I started this last night, not very far from our destination, and I finished it up today. I think I knit fast, I don't know. But this is garter stitch, so you can't get it easier than that. The only stop we've really made today besides electricity is we did our coffee stops, and then we just stopped at Oregon Street Antiques in Redding, California, which is very confusing. It was a cute little shop. I found a project folding tote thing that'll be good for the patio this summer, and 2 math books because I like math books. All right, I'll check in when we get there, and I'll show you the finished cowls too. Just a super short today. I finished the summer colorway in the car of the garter stitch, the multicolor, and I have started back at the fall to do the third Fairy Breath shawl, which has lace holes in it. And I just discovered, which I should have known all along because I did it. Well, Kelly uploaded it, but I said, hey, please upload this. All 3 of the patterns for these cowls, I think I just said shawl for some reason. All 3 of these cowls are up for free download at the Black Sheep Ravelry store. So you can just go look up fairy rings, and maybe you might have to look up fairy rings Black Sheep fiber, but you will find them at Ravelry and you can download. I will put a link below for sure, because that's an easy link to find, and you can knit them along too. So I'm back to fall. I've got to do fall. I've got to do winter. No, I've done winter. I've got to do fall, spring, and summer. And then when I get home, I have to do equinox. But this should go fast. So I'll probably get done with this tomorrow. And we will be home tomorrow and back in Portland. And then stuff commences. I'll be open more. If anybody wants to come in for an appointment, that's super easy peasy. I do have lots planned this summer. I'm gonna, there's definitely a clearance sale scheduled. I just have too much stuff. So we're gonna draw down a lot of stuff this summer, like sale prices. So be ready for that. Probably, I'm thinking end of June, maybe July. And then we've got a dyeing class ready to go. Already is the needle felted repair class is already on the books. So go look for that. So, like the moths, did the moths get to your knits this winter? Do you have holes in your socks? I'm going to teach you how to needle felt repairs so that they are very firmly well repaired. And in the class, I teach you how to color match, and then the process of how to felt the holes, and then if it's a giant hole, how to deal with that. So that's coming up in May, I believe. And that's about it. Today was very uneventful. I think I told you we went to an antique store because I did that. I told you that right when I got in the car. So, yeah, uneventful day. It was all driving and just one stop at one antique store in Redding. And then on to Medford. Oh, yeah, did I tell you? It's cold. It's very cold here in Medford. It better not be this cold up in Portland or I will sorely regret my return trek. I've got to spend a whole nother month and a week up there now before I get to go back to Arizona to the heat. And I'll be sick of it by June, so. Yeah. It's going to be a really short one today, so. I hope you had a good day. I hope you had a good day yesterday. I hope you've watched my Tesla extravaganza yesterday. I tried to put up a short on YouTube, but I think I failed because I found no sign of it today. So, I think that was a failure. I will try that again. Basically, I'm knitting in front of a Tesla charger. So that's how that worked. But yeah, not exciting. We had barbecue for dinner because, that's our life now, is find the meat that is barbecued. Mary's barbecue. The ribs were good. The brisket, not so good. And I found out, did you know that brisket and tri-tip are the same thing? Didn't know that. Don't know my meat very well, clearly. So I ate David got a big old slab of ribs that were very big. So I shared his ribs with him instead of my brisket because I didn't really like it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have ice cream later. I really feel the need for ice cream. I kind of feel like the need for ice cream right now. Not holding strong at the moment. I think something about traveling and treating myself. Don't know what my problem is, but it's not good. All right. See you tomorrow. Or, oh, probably the day after tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to do anything tomorrow. It'll just be get home and unpack. So I will see you on Monday for you, for me, for one of us. Bye.